Hey everyone, Robin Sweet from Autogeek. Today I'm at the Autogeek Show Car Garage in Palm City, Florida. And today we're going to talk about BLACKFIRE Interior Cleaner. Really a straightforward cleaner here, used for a lot of different surfaces inside the vehicle, whether it be hard surfaces, leather, vinyl, upholstery. One of my favorite things to use this with is to just do a maintenance touch-up on an interior. I spray it directly onto the microfiber towel and then do a quick wipe down. If there's any heavier grime, what you can do is spray it onto the surface, onto the upholstery, let it sit, let it penetrate for a while, then come back through, and if you need to scrub, you can scrub with a brush, whether it be an interior soft bristle brush such as the Speedmaster here. We have the Speedmaster Interior Scrubber. I refer to this as the mouse, kind of shaped like a mouse for a computer. So you can scrub all your hard surfaces with that and then just come back through and wipe down again with a microfiber towel. It's water-based, no sticky residue. It's really simple to use for all your surfaces. And it's always best that if you come back through, you can use an interior protectant, such as the BLACKFIRE Interior Protectant, or a leather conditioner on those surfaces once they're clean. If you want more information on this product and others, you can visit autogeek.com.